Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Wish you a very happy new year. So today I'm going to unbox this Cradling Bouncer for 0 to 6 months old babies. So this is over here. So it comes with the removable toy bar with 2 plush toys, removable headrest and cozy sit cradle, baby cradling seat with soft fabrics, adjustable 3-point harness, cushioned footrest and side supports, soothing vibration to calm baby. Also it has 8 melodies with volume control and sit pad to ease clean. Okay, so now we are going to open it. So I just already opened it. Okay, so I just take everything out. It's there. So this is the voice melody. It has over here the sound, then volume and high, and this is the vibration, this one. Okay, I think it needs 3 batteries. We're going to put this later on. So this is the part. Okay, some plastic inside. So these are all the parts. Okay, so let us take it out from the one. Okay, so this has 2 toys which can be removable from here. Okay. Here I have all of his parts. This one, this one, this one, this one, this, and this. Okay, so now we are going to assemble it one by one. Okay, so now we have almost installed this fittings, everything. So as you can see over here, this should be clipped in. So after that you can put this recovery, and over here as well same. Okay, so then this parts, the down part is inside this part and the other one rod. Okay, so this side it's flexible, it's shaky a little bit. Okay, because of, as you can see, like this. Okay, so over here you can place the baby, and this can be removed as well, the headrest. Okay, so this can be put back as well over here. Okay, so sorry, this one. Okay, and this side it's also same. So you can install this thing inside, and this side, this side. You put this knot inside, and this, everything will be here. Box. Okay, so now we're going to put batteries inside. Okay, so I'm going to open this thing now. Oh, it already has batteries. Okay, I think these are, oh, it needs big batteries, I suppose. So as you can hear the music, the nice melodies. Okay, I think it needs big batteries. So I'll just remove these batteries for now. And just screw it back. Okay, so this part is over here. So now as you can see, it's ready. Okay, and just the thing is that I forgot to get the batteries, so maybe I'll get a big one later on, maybe install them. Otherwise it would have vibrating and music as well. Okay, hope you guys like the video. Please share to anyone who is about to get baby. Okay, thank you guys, see you in my next video, and enjoy the year 2023. See you.
Deixa eu ver.